हेलो हेलो हेलो, क्या हाल चाल, कैसे भाई?
हाय।
और आज हम आए हैं फिर से गांधीनगर। यहाँ पे हम एशियन वेट लिफ्टिंग चैम्पियनशिप्स का जो सेकेंड डे है, जिसमें हम अपना व्लॉग फिर से कवर करने वाले हैं व्लॉग फॉर्म में। और अभी आपने देखा होगा, हमने अभी रिसेंटली डे 1 का व्लॉग भी डाल दिया, जिसमें
It's live on YouTube.
इट्स
Go
लाइव ऑन
watch
यूट्यूब
it,
एंड गो
guys,
या
so that you have more context to the next events,
Yes.
and you can track the progress as well.
हाँ,
Right?
तो उसमें हमने प्रीव्यू दिया था
Yeah, yes, yeah.
फॉर टुडे।
Yeah.
और उसमें हमने क्या क्या बात की थी, आज कौन कौन से इवेंट्स बता दो।
Ajit-
अजीत नारायण इन
Ajit Narayan,
71,
71, yes.
ठीक है। एंड देन वी हैव निरुपमा देवी
Nirupama Devi.
in 63 women
Women,
category,
yes.
and then we have the young tiger of Assam, as I call him,
Yeah.
Vedabrat Barali, who is participating in 79 kg category. As we know, the weight categories for the Olympics have changed, तो ये वाले वेट कैटेगरीज अब नहीं है, बट इससे आप मतलब कि जो 73 है वो 75 पे शिफ्ट करने पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज 75 इज़ द वेट कैटेगरी एंड देन 85 इज़ द वेट कैटेगरी. सो 79 गाइज माइट मूव इनटू 85 और 79 माइट इवन कम डाउन टू 75. सो पता नहीं है. सो इट इज़ जस्ट इसमें वर्ल्ड चैम्पियंस, वर्ल्ड क्लास लिफ्टर्स, वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड होल्डर्स सारे आए हुए हैं फ्रॉम नॉर्थ कोरिया एंड चाइना. सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी एन एक्साइटिंग डे.
Heavy lifts,
are expected.
upwards of 200 kilos, more than 200 kilos.
In clean and jerk will be expected.
It's going to be really wild to see them lift those kind of weight.
Again, world class lifting will be on display and we will be show in the vlog very soon. अभी हम अंदर जाते हैं और देखते हैं कहाँ पे पहुँचे. It's just 12 as per my clock, so चालू होने वाला होगा 71 kg कैटेगरी का इवेंट. Let's go there. Okay?
Yes.
Here's the second attempt of Madhavan at 135. Gets this one. That is a good one. And the crowd cheers him on. It's a good lift at 135 for Madhavan. Gets on the board. Now Ajit comes on the dais for his first attempt at 141. 140, sorry, 140. Gets up, gets up. Oof. Looked a little tough, but eventually pulls this one off. Ajit is coming back for his third attempt at 144. No, he didn't have that one as well. Unfortunately, he'll finish at 140 on. This is the Turkmenistani lifter, Rashido, who missed 143. Then he missed 145 and now he has posted 147. Suicidal to say the least, but let's see if he pulls this one off. This is called confidence. This is called confidence. Incredible by this great lifter from Turkmenistan, Rashidov. Now Chen Jian on the dais, 151 on the barbell. This is world class level now. First attempt. Whew, easy. Man, brute power. Ri Wonju of People's Republic of Korea now on the dais. His third attempt at 154 kgs, 6 kilos shy of the world record of 160. He takes it. Man, incredible lifting. Good. Chen Jian of China going for the gold medal in snatch category, 155 kg on the barbell. His second attempt. It was always supposed to be easy for him. Takes the golden snatch. Let's see if he'll go for the world record. Now for the world record attempt of 161 kg, Chen Jian on the dais for the third and final attempt. It will be very crucial for him to lift this one because the North Korean has posted a 190 on clean and jerk. He does not, but he wins the gold in snatch category. So men's 71 kg snatch division has just finished. Ajit Narayan with 140 kg has placed 5th. Again, he has posted 325 as his entry total, but his first weights is 140 plus 165, which is 305. So he's taking the full utilization of the 20 kg rule, which is not good. But Chen Jian and Ri Wonju, they were like neck to neck, and it was very crucial for Chen Jian to lift that world record attempt because he has posted 180 on clean and jerk, while the North Korean has posted 190. So, which is very close to the world record from the get-go itself.
So 140. So currently in lead is Chinese with 155 kg.
Right.
And then following him is from wrestler, weightlifter from
North Korea.
North Korea at 154 kg.
Yeah.
And then we have Turkmenistan.
I recorded that. I recorded that. I knew because he will pull it
There
off.
is a, I think, snatch of this
Category.
Yeah,
This
morning
division.
time
Yeah.
session.
143 missed,
under
145
pressure
missed, and 147 lifted.
And
No,
I also
man.
posted it 147. Like he was this close
Yeah.
in the last to have that confidence again go like from 143
It
to
takes nerves of steel, man.
And, yeah, he stung it like pure
Yeah.
raw
Woo.
strength.
Incredible.
He would have been out of the competition and then
Rashidov, yeah.
yeah. And that Uzbeki weightlifter also had some flair. He was like shouting a lot of stuff
Yeah.
coming in before. So
Yeah.
yeah, so these are the top
Top
four
four.
weightlifters.
And then we have Ajit.
Unfortunately for India, we were below par. I don't
I think
there
Ajit
is
is almost 6 or 7 kgs below his PB.
I don't think the medal or we are going to be anywhere close to the medal. But yeah.
Yeah.
Some fantastic weightlifting by the Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, China and
North Korea.
Yeah.
चलो clean and jerk में मिलते हैं आपसे है ना?
Yes.
See you.
Bye.
Ajit is here for his first lift in clean and jerk. That is 165 kgs. Let's see if he pulls this one off. Okay. A decent clean. A strong jerk. That is a good lift for sure. Well done, Ajit. This is Madhavan, who is participating in the guest category, and he's going for 167 in his second attempt. Oh, a good clean. Taking his time. Okay. Looks like a decent jerk. I think it should be a good lift. Let's see. Good lift. Now Ajit going for 169. If he pulls this one, his total will go to 309. Looks stable. And that is gets up. I think it's a good lift. It's a good lift. Was a little tough, but good lift. Commendable lift for Ajit. It was very tough on the jerk, but he somehow maintained his balance and pulled this one off. His total now moves to 309, which is pretty solid given his poor snatch. Now there have been a string of no lifts in men's 71 kg division in the clean and jerk section, and Ajit has a shot at an overall bronze medal. He's already leading the clean and jerk division with the Chinese and the North Korean yet to start. So it might be an outside chance for a bronze medal in total if the Uzbeki lifter misses here and Ajit lifts his 173 kg. So yeah, like it was nowhere in the reckoning after the snatch, but he has pulled his way back into the competition. And the Uzbeki lifter has got it. Oh my God, 313. Now he moves into, and he goes for some salt. He has moved the bar to 174. That is the only way he can get an overall medal. He is currently number 2 in the clean and jerk standings, and he might either it is all or nothing for him right now. He is on the dice now. Crowd is all pumped up, and Ajit is on the tie for 174. Come on! The clean is done. The clean is done. Come on, खींच ले भाई, हो जाएगा. खींचा रहा है. Yeah! Let's go! It's a medal for India. Let's go! भाई यहाँ पे हम हैं और अजीत का मेडल पक्का हो गया. He's leading the competition with 314. He was nowhere in the reckoning and he pulled off some great lifts in the clean and jerk section. And भद्रेश भाई भी है. भद्रेश भाई ने रिकॉर्ड किया. भद्रेश भाई कैसा है ये?
बहुत अच्छा प्राउड मोमेंट था और मतलब बेसिकली लग नहीं रहा था ये होगा, लेकिन ये इंडिया को फाइनल मेडल मिल गया.
Let's go. Now the Chinese gangsters are here, right? As Ankush sees them, 180 on the bar for Chen Jian. Oh, it looks a little heavy. Looked a little heavy, but I think he will pull this off in the jerk. No, he doesn't. Oh. But will he get an upgrade to silver?
No, I think he'll pull it off.
A big lift for Chen Jian. क्या बोलते हैं कुछ हो पाएगा? At least get a silver in total and clean and jerk. Courtesy of Ajit Narayan. Chen Jian for his third and final at 180. His cleans have been a problem for him. Again a tough clean, much better clean, but let's see if he has got the jerk. He has got it. He has got, well done. Very well done. Very well done. So it's a silver, at least a silver for Chen Jian. So Ri Wonju coming for the 185 kg.
To ensure the gold medal for him.
Yes.
And for North
Yes. Okay, easy clean. And he has got the gold for South Korea. Silver to China and bronze for India. Ri Wonju is going for 194 kgs. That will be a total world record in this weight category. He has got this one. Easy clean. And an easy jog as well. That is world class. That is world record. New record. And you can see 348. That is the world record now. 351, the total world record for Ri Wonju in men's 71 kg categories. And the Chinese Chen Jian was almost on the brink of messing it up.
Yeah. He came so close to messing it up, but in the end, the class he showed, right?
Yeah.
To remain
So
under,
cool.
Cool when
The pressure.
everything around you is falling down.
Yeah.
You know, he was under a lot of pressure.
Incredible work by them.
Yeah.
But Ajit's great
Yeah,
performance,
great.
314.
Yeah.
After a bad snatch division performance, he made amends in the clean and jerk, and that is what weightlifting is all about. He gave every inch of his body in the
every muscle.
Every muscle was
Muscle.
going towards that 174 kg category, 174 kg lift rather,
Yeah.
and he pulled that one off to give India a bronze medal, a historic bronze medal in men's 71 kg division. It's a loaded category by the way, but and a medal in this one is no mean feat.
Yeah. Great.
And congratulations to all.
Congratulations to Ajit. Yeah.
हमारे साथ है अजीत नारायण. स्माइल कर दो भाई, हिस्टोरिक ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आए हो. हाउ डज इट फील? कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत खुश है. तो ये मेडल मेरी मामा के लिए डेडिकेट कर रहा हूँ. तो
जोर से बोलो भाई.
इंडियन वेटलिफ्टिंग प्रेसिडेंट
हाँ, सहदेव सर.
सेक्रेटरी सर, सबको थैंक यू सो मच. एंड हमारी इंडियन वेटलिफ्टिंग टीम हेड कोच है सर.
हाँ.
बहुत धन्यवाद.
कॉमनवेल्थ 2010 गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट.
हाँ, तो रतन सर मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया है, हमेशा सपोर्ट करते रहते हैं.
हाँ.
तो मेरे लिए बहुत सपोर्ट किया है.
हाँ.
आज भी बहुत सपोर्ट करा था. तो स्नैच मिस किया है.
हाँ.
उसके बाद क्लीन करेगा ना करेगा पता नहीं था.
हाँ.
लेकिन रतन सर ने बहुत
पुश किया
है. और मेरा दोस्त था
हाँ, राजू,
कल
राजा.
हुआ था, आज मेरे लिए आया, बहुत सपोर्ट किया है. एंड देन थैंक यू फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट.
और
जब आपने स्टार्ट किया था स्नैच में आपका ठीक नहीं गया था. बहुत कम आप जितना यूजुअली करते हो उससे कम वेट पोस्ट किया था. एंड एक स्नैच के बाद 144 पे 2 फेल्ड अटेम्प्ट थे. तो जब क्लीन एंड जर्क में जब आप जा रहे थे, क्या सोच रहे थे कितना केजी करना पड़ेगा मेडल लेने के लिए?
मैं कोशिश करके आया था. लास्ट वीक 150 स्नैच किया और क्लीन एंड जर्क में किया ही नहीं. क्लीन एंड जर्क अच्छा हो गया है. वो किया है, वो अच्छा नहीं किया है. 150 स्नैच तक किया है लेकिन अच्छा नहीं हुआ है. तो क्लीन एंड जर्क करके फाइट करके मेडल आया है. तो
और आप एंट्री वेट आपने 325 का इसमें डाला था.
दिया है लेकिन
सो आर यू सेटिस्फाइड, मतलब कि आपका
नहीं.
इस परफॉर्मेंस से सेटिस्फाइड हो, मतलब विद द कैटेगरी? ऑब्वियसली ब्रॉन्ज से तो अब यू आर वेरी हैप्पी, बट
मेडल मिल गया है.
हाँ.
मेडल इम्पोर्टेंट.
लेकिन मेरा टोटल है वो कम हो गया है.
हाँ.
हमेशा 320 इसमें रखता हूँ. तो इस बार थोड़ा कम हो गया है. तो अगली बार कोशिश करूँगा.
ग्रेट.
थोड़ा कंपटीशन के बारे में बताइए। उज़्बेक वेट लिफ्टर वैन जब करके समरसॉल्ट किया, क्योंकि बहुत फास्ट डिसीजंस लेने पड़े आपको, लाइक
172 से 174 मूव करना पड़ा।
174 से तो क्या बातें चल रही थी पीछे?
बस इतना ही। मेरा फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट सेकंड अटैम्प्ट बहुत स्लो था।
हाँ।
तो तीसरा अटैम्प्ट दोस्त और रतन सर ने बताया अभी मेडल है, तो मैं अपने आप को तैयारी कर रहा था, मेडल है, पूरा जोश में आया। तो लास्ट अटैम्प्ट तो इसलिए मुझे कर पाया।
तो थर्ड अटेम्प्ट वाज फ्लॉलेस, मतलब आपका बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट ऑफ ऑल द 3 अटेम्प्ट्स दैट यू डिड इन क्लीन एंड जर्क। और अब मतलब आपका इस साल का अगला गोल क्या रहेगा? मतलब कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स आने वाले, एशियन गेम्स आने वाले हैं।
गेम्स में पक्का गोल्ड जीतूंगा।
अरे वाह वाह, कॉन्फिडेंस।
इतना तैयारी कर रहा
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। और मतलब LA ओलंपिक्स के लिए आपकी तैयारी क्या रहेगी? 75 kg वेट कैटेगरी रहने वाली वहाँ
हाँ,
पे।
अभी फिलहाल नेक्स्ट जून के बाद 75 आएगा।
हाँ।
तो इसके पहले 73 में करता था मैं। तो अभी मुझे बॉडी वेट भी बहुत कम करना।
हाँ, करेक्ट। तो
पहले 3 किलो करता था, अभी 71 डाउन करना, 5 किलो कंट्रोल करना पड़ा।
हाँ,
इसकी वजह से भी मुझे
तो आपका नॉर्मल बॉडी वेट 74 73 रहता है, कितना रहता है?
75 रहता है।
हाँ।
क्योंकि मैं पहले 73 में करता था, तो इसलिए 2 किलो रखा था। तो अभी मुझे 71 आना पड़ा।
हाँ, हाँ।
4 किलो हो गया।
हाँ।
ये बहुत मुश्किल टास्क है मेरे लिए, बॉडी वेट कम करना। फिर भी मैं छुड़ेगा नहीं।
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही।
अभी आप स्नैच और क्लीन एंड जर्क में प्रैक्टिस में हाउ डू यू डिवाइड कि कौन सा प्रैक्टिस अगर आपको लग रहा है स्नैच में ज़्यादा काम करने का ज़रूरत है?
नहीं, मेरे बॉडी के हिसाब से मुझे स्नैच इजी आता है।
हाँ, करेक्ट।
क्लीन में थोड़ा मुश्किल करता है।
हाँ।
अगर क्लीन इजी हो गया तो जब इजी हो जाएगा। तो मेरे लिए स्नैच इजी है हमेशा।
आपका क्लीन एंड जर्क PB 175 है,
5
राइट?
है।
हाँ
179 भी किया है।
हाँ।
तो अभी स्नैच में थोड़ा गड़बड़ चल रहा है।
हाँ।
ठीक करना है।
कोई नहीं, वो आप विद टाइम ठीक कर लेंगे। हम मीडिया सेक्शन में बैठे हुए थे और वहाँ पे कोई नहीं चिल्ला था, लेकिन हम आपके लिए बहुत ज़ोर से चिल्लाए। आप देशवासियों के लिए क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
वही जो मुझे सपोर्ट
question.
किया है उसको मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ।
हाँ, और आपने बोला आप यू वांटेड टू गिव क्रेडिट टू योर अंकल मामा, तो आपके मामा अंकल का रोल कैन यू डिटेल में थोड़ा बताएंगे क्या रहा है?
डिटेल मतलब जो मैंने आज किया है ये,
हाँ।
बस उसने मुझे बेंगलुरु से लेके आया तमिलनाडु में वेट लिफ्टिंग कर रहा है।
हाँ।
तो उसके बाद थोड़ा करते करके 15 साल हो गया है।
हाँ।
तो करने मेडल करने के लिए
हाँ।
तो उसने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है पैसा से, फैमिली से। तो उसको फैमिली देखना पड़ेगा, मुझे भी देखना पड़ेगा। सैलरी तो ये किया।
तो आपके अंकल आपके पहले कोच थे?
हाँ, बचपन से
से?
करवा दिया है। उसके
हाँ।
बाद धीरे धीरे मेरा साई में गया है।
हाँ।
कबीर सर
So you're half Kannadiga?
या वन फ्रॉम कर्नाटका। प्रैक्टिस
तो अच्छा, वेलोर कब जा रहे हैं? हमें अंबूर बिरयानी कब खिला रहे हो, आप ये बताओ।
वैसे आप कभी भी आ सकते हो। हम खिलाएंगे।
बिल्कुल बेस्ट है एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट अजीत भाई।
Say hi to Vasant also.
वसंत ने आपका बताया था, वसंत यू माइट नो, है ना? ठीक है, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन भाई, मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। सो गाइस, यू जस्ट सॉ अजीत्स इंटरव्यू and he is obviously very happy with his medal, not so happy with his performance. He was expecting much better total per se, but yeah, it is what it is. And now we have shifted to women 63 kg category. Nirupama Devi has posted 92 for her first attempt in snatch and 123 for her first attempt in clean and jerk. She had an entry weight of 230 in this, which is a good one for this category, but let's see if she can pull off a medal in this category. Looks very difficult, but if she does it, it'll be great. Here comes Nirupama Devi for her first attempt in snatch at 92 kgs. And it's a good one. It's a very good lift for Nirupama. 92, a successful one. Now Nirupama is going for 96. She has improved 1 kg from her previous failed attempt of 95. Let's see if she has got this one. Too heavy for her, so 93 will remain her best. This is Wang Liu of China attempting world record in junior category in snatch, 109 kg. That is easy to get it. Very well done. Risuk is coming on the dais for the third and final attempt at 111 kg, which is a world record. It will be an equal world record in snatch category. She is the reigning world champion in this division. Oh my god! That is brute power! Equal world record, 111 kg. Now Yang Liuyui is going for 112 kg for snatch gold, world record senior and world record junior. Yes, she will. Yes, she will. That's a world record. The junior and senior world record in snatch and gold in snatch. What a competition between Risuk and Wang Liuyui. क्या लगता है भाई 112 केजी 111 केजी दोनों ने मतलब वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड के कीचड़ उड़ा दिए खासकर
सीनियर वेट लिफ्टर से ज़्यादा जूनियर
होता है बट या स्टिल Risuk the reigning world champion in this division is has a better
the raw strength that these guys possesses, man.
This is crazy.
Like a lot of lifts were lifted from behind the back.
Man, that is incredible. Usually lifters will let the bar go because they can fear of injury.
Yeah.
But these guys are made of some different metal altogether.
Once it goes behind the back, it's very difficult to stand up with thin snatch, especially. But yeah, incredible.
Okay, and Nirupama Devi, 4th position in snatch with 92 kgs, right? ठीक है, पर सही है, अच्छा रहा. देखते हैं अभी क्लीन एंड जग में कैसा रहता है. But yeah, she is Nirupama Devi can finish in the top 4 in Asian Championships, which will be no mean feat at all. So yeah.
Her best bet is to go for the total.
Yeah.
Maybe try something near best.
Yeah, 221 is her personal best if I'm not wrong, and 92 she might need another 130 to break her personal best. So it'll be difficult, but yeah, let's hope she does that like Ajit did in the morning session or the afternoon session, right? Nirupama Devi lifting 123 kg in her first attempt of CNJ rather. Should be easy. It is easy for her. Very good lifting from Nirupama. Now Nirupama will be trying 128 after failing at 126 in her second attempt. That would be a personal best. 128 would be a personal best for her. It was a good clean in the last one, but unfortunately her jerk was not good. This one, the clean is again very good. She needs to be in focus. Keep focus. Come on, keep it up. She had got this one again. Loses focus at the last moment when she needed to keep it the most. Yang Liuyui going for junior world record here. 139 kgs on the bar. That the squat press was there, but it didn't happen. Yang Liuyui coming for her third attempt. She's the youngest athlete or lifter in this competition and attempting 139 here. She is good, clean, beautiful clean. This will take her total 251 if she gets it. Look at the squat press here. Oh, get up. Look at the power. Oh, wow. The youngest athlete of the competition. She's barely 20. Man, incredible. Now Risuk going for the gold medal here. She is the reigning world champion in this category. 141 kg on the bar. That will take her total to 252. 1 kg above than Wang, more than Wang. Oof, a little difficult on the clean, but she will get the jerk. Look at that. Look at that. World class. Man. Risuk coming on the dais for her third and final attempt. It will be a clean and jerk world record. It will be a total world record. Gets it. And here comes the jerk. And there goes the world record. So here we are. The world record in snatch broken by Yang Liuyi of China. The world record in clean and jerk broken by Ri Suk of People's Republic of Korea. And the total world record also belongs to Ri Suk, the reigning world champion and now the Asian champion as well in this division. Phenomenal weightlifting on display over here. Incredible. So Ri Suk has won the gold medal in women's 63 kg division. Yang Liuyi of China has won silver, and Fang Lin of China has won bronze, right? So insane lifting, world record lifting from the top two. The top athlete or lifter finished with 254 kgs, which is a world record, which is Ri Suk, and the junior world record was taken by Yang Liuyi. So I mean, incredible performances from the top three, and I think the difference between Nirupama Devi, Nirupama finished fourth. She lifted 215 in total. Her entry total was 230, so way below her entry total again. And it was
she was good with clean, but struggled with the jerk.
Jerks, yeah.
So she tried her PB 128 kg, but
it didn't materialize, right?
bridge too far.
Yeah, bridge too far, but hopefully she will get her things amended in the Commonwealth Games. And it boils down to, but because they know for a fact that they are not at that stage to win the medal at the Asian Championships, so it's a fair call to kind of not aggravate any injury here. So I mean, but anyway, I mean, Commonwealth Games is a great result for the athlete themselves. Not really great when we talk about the world context. In world context, वो इतना ज़्यादा महत्व नहीं होल्ड करता है, because Commonwealth Games के मेडल्स हम हार्डली देखते हैं. ओलंपिक्स में 2 या 3 मेडल्स लाते हैं, बट एशियन चैम्पियनशिप्स के जो मेडलिस्ट हैं वो मोस्टली ओलंपिक्स में पोडियम पे टॉप पे फिनिश करते हैं. सो this is what it is, and a great performance by Ri Suk. Yeah, hopefully in good time. I think we have some great academies in weightlifting and some great talent coming up as well. So we can see, and one of those great talents will be in action very soon. That is Vedabrat Purali, and he is just
like
19.
Session of the day.
Yeah, the session of the day.
Yeah.
And I think Ajay Babu will be there in as a CWF guest.
Yes.
So I mean, things to look out to. Hopefully Vedabrat delivers on his entry weight. At least he is able to match his entry total. All right. So we'll see you in that session. See you then. Okay. The men's 79 kg division. First attempt for snatch and clean and jerks are here. I can see them. Let me show you them as well. So Vedabrat, you can see, has posted 143 on the snatch and 175 in clean and jerk. His entry was 330 if I'm not wrong, and this is 18 kilograms shy of 330. The entry weights that he has posted: 155 for Ri Chong Song and Lu Naigang of China in snatch, and 195 and 190 in clean and jerk for them respectively. 152 for Ri Ryong Hyong of North Korea, and 195 in clean and jerk. So it is going to be again a Chinese and North Korean dominated event. Yeah, as far as I can see, there's going to be a tough competition between the Chinese and the North Koreans again. Ajay Babu has posted 140 and 170 on the entry weights for snatch and clean and jerk respectively. Let's see what Vedabrat can do or pull off in this weight category. This is Ajay Babu. His second attempt at 142. His first attempt was a failure. The same weight. Taking his time. Gets this one very easy. Made amends big time. Well done. Now Vedabrat, the youngest competitor in this field of men's 79 kg category, opening at 145 kgs in snatch. Let's see what he has got. He has got it! He has got it! Look at the crowd cheering for him. Yeah, the crowd cheers for him. Here is Vedabrat lifting 148 in his second attempt now. Can you do it? Let's see. Yeah, well done, Vedabrat. Very well done. Great performance. That's a great performance. Vedabrat on the dice for his third and final attempt at 151. This for a personal best. Let's go. Get up, get up, get up! Woo! Let's go! That is a massive PB for Barali. Well done. Lee Chong Song attempting 161 in his third attempt. His second attempt was a failure, although he had lifted it, but it was a bending on the arms. And this one again looks a little tight. Let's see. It's called a good lift for now. Ajay Babu for his last attempt at 168. His first two attempts have been no lifts. Come on! Clean this time. And a much better jerk. And he gets this one. This should be a good lift. Now, as I can see, Vedabrat Barali has changed his first weight in clean and jerk to 180, which if he clears will move to 331, and that will be a PB on his first attempt itself. So I mean, he's really pushing the bar here. I mean, the best weightlifter on display. I know that Ajit won bronze in men's 71 kg category, but he has been the most impressive. Vedabrat, if he gets this one, that will be unfathomable for an 18-year-old. So Barali has moved to 178 actually. He had mentioned he had posted 180 first, now he has moved to 178. This could be a huge total if he gets this one. Oh, get up, get up! 329, is it? Oh. Jury is reviewing it because Vedabrat was on his feet after lifting the weight. Let's see if they have something else to say. It doesn't look like... Yeah, it's a failed attempt, unfortunately. But I don't know why they took so much time to give them the bar down instruction. Even, in fact, it didn't come at all to get down the bar for Vedabrat. But let's see, he will... Now he has moved to 184. I don't know what he is thinking now. Okay, I hope it's not suicidal. This is Barali's last attempt, 184. Yes, yes. Bas. Easy! Come on, bhai, get it. Get it done, come on. That's okay. I mean, Ri Rong Hyun now attempting 206 for a world record in CNJ. Gets up, gets up. He stabilizes himself and does the world record. Moves into the lead. Eventually, it was between the two North Korean lifters. Ri Rong Hyun gets it with a total of 364, and Ri Chong Song with 358. And yeah, Barali, the Chinese lifter Lu Nai Gang was a distant third in this one, to say the least. Barali did his best in snatch, but in the clean and jerk he was again attempting for his best, but finished without registering any lift. So that's it from men's 79 kg category. These are the medal winners from this weight category. So the second day also has now just completed. It was agony for Barali in the end, but he tried his best. So I absolutely loved his risk-taking appetite, to be very frank with you. He's very young, and attempting a big PB on the biggest stage of his career was something which
He will grow.
He will grow, and is something which he can take a lot of heart from. And I hope that this only increases his confidence, and he doesn't feel a lot bad about this.
Yeah.
I think that was it.
Yeah,
from,
but he gave himself fair chance in a absolutely packed field.
Oh my God! Oh
What a weight category and competition.
man, it was incredible.
Yeah,
it was
and
incredible.
we saw a world record.
Yeah, we saw many world records today. Yeah.
4 world record attempts
Yeah.
in clean and jerk and total.
Yeah.
Out of 4.
Yeah, four clean and jerk world records and 2 total world records were attempted.
Yeah.
But 1 clean and jerk world record
So,
from Ri Ryong Myeon.
So that was the only one world record from today, right?
No. In the women's 63 also we saw a few world records. Yeah, the world records were galore. I mean,
Yeah.
this is Asian Championships. You will see world records for fun. But yeah, the day started on a high with Ajit Narayan winning bronze in men's 71,
Yeah.
and Nirupama Devi finished 4th with a very good performance of 215 kgs.
Yeah.
I mean, we were expecting a bit better performance from those two because their entry weight they had posted, they were almost 10 to 15 kgs behind their entry weight with the total they amassed today.
Yeah.
So that is something which they should work upon and probably come with a better mindset and better attempts in Commonwealth Games. And then we talk about Barali. He did a big PB in the snatch.
Yeah, I
but-
think if you take only snatch,
yeah.
that was the best performance
From
till
an
now.
Indian lifter in this today.
Today,
Yeah.
not today, like till now in the championship.
Oh yeah, of course, yeah.
Yeah, because I think that is the only PB one with the PB or Gyaneshwari.
I think Gyaneshwari did a PB in. She equaled her PB and did PB in snatch, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
So, yeah, I mean, tough luck for Barali, but I mean, this is not the end of the road for him, and we
Yeah.
are expecting him to
He's
shine.
18 and he's lifting 151 in one motion.
Yes. So yeah,
So-
but yeah, I think he will only grow from here, and I think we are mostly done from this vlog.
Long day.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next one, and till then, take care, goodbye, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.